Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Holub. And today we are going to be learning about measuring. So we've got some words up here. One of them is measure. Give yourself some think time and think about what you think the word measure means. Okay, now I want you to whisper that to the person sitting next to you, what you think it means to measure something. Today, we will weigh different objects to determine which is lighter and heavier by using a scale to compare and determine which is heavier and lighter. So we will know how to measure different objects. Some other words you probably heard were heavy and the word light. Ooh, that writing is kind of light, right? So heavy are things that have a large weight, right? So a building would be something that's heavy. Something that's light might be like a feather, right? It doesn't have a large weight, okay? Speaking of weight, how can we measure things? Well, we can use something called a scale. A scale, this is how you spell scale. Scale. Yours might look different. Yours might be in the bathroom. And these numbers here represent units of measurement. So like your body, for example, when you go to the doctor, they weigh you. It would be in pounds, right? So today we're going to pick two objects, and using a scale, we are going to measure, and we're going to see which object is heavier, right, which weighs a lot, and which object is lighter. So make your prediction right now when I give you the two objects. We're going to weigh Mrs. Potato Head. She's a little sensitive about her weight, so let's be nice, okay? So is Miss Holub. And we're going to weigh this paper clip, okay? So, Mrs. Potato Head, after you. Okay. Oh, most important, when you are measuring, you want to make sure that the arrow is pointed at the zero. See the number 0? And if it isn't, you can fix it by twisting this little knob. It's at the very top, so you can't see it. Okay. To be accurate as possible. Oh, look at that. I see the arrow is between the 0 and the 1. We call that a half. So that's half a pound because each number represents a pound. So Mrs. Potato Head weighs half a pound. Is your prediction correct? We don't know yet. We haven't weighed the paper clip. Gotta weigh the paper clip. Did it even move? It's like, yeah, it's very close to the 0. So Mrs. Potato Head's was closer to, right? It was closer to the 0 and the 1. They were in the half, so it was half the distance. So it could have been closer to the 1, could have been closer to the 0. Whereas this one's closer to the 0, right? And if 0 means nothing, I think Mrs. Potato Head weighs more than the paperclip. Your turn. Now at home, you get to pick two objects, and you have to predict which one is going to weigh more. And then on the Google slide, you're going to indicate what they weighed and if your prediction was correct. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.